How to change notification sound on Messenger on the new update. So the first thing that we need to make sure is that our Messenger app is up to date. So go to your App Store, click on the search icon and type in Messenger. Make sure that this button says open. If it says update, then go update your Messenger first. Once it's updated, open the Messenger application, and from here, tap the three lines icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, go to settings and then go to the notifications and sound. To change your notification sound, tap the option text tone. Make sure that your phone is not in silent mode in order to hear the different sounds. To preview the sounds, just tap on the different options. It will automatically save the one that you last tapped as your notification sound. So after choosing the one that you like, just hit back, and then done. That is how to change notification sound on Messenger on the new update. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.